Swim around, it's gonna swim around the pot and the dumpling. But that
No, because you jump on the feet, CJ cooking some fish soup. He didn't want me to cook it, guys. He said, oh, don't spoil it. Because he knows that he wants it himself. So, I leave him to it. So, we're going to see the outcome of this soup. Cooking the soup, but look what rain. Lucky thing we have this thing here. Black coffee thing, but it's raining already. Look. It's so raining. Oh my goodness. It's called dumpling. So we have flour, we have corn, and we have salt. Store it like this. Make sure the corn will mix out equally with the flour. Store it just like that. First you have to make sure wash it and very clean and dry. And then you do so boom boom. Alright. Bam bam bam. Get the water. If you know good measurement, you just boop in a hit. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that, people. Just like that. Just like that. Look at that now. Look at that now. More water. Go on again. And I'm getting this shit. And everybody like making noise. Everybody like it. Dumpling. Dumpling. Yeah. Yeah, really. Need him. So you press down. You know I don't press dumpling like that? I do not press dumpling so hard.
Alright. That is it. You give it a 5 minutes for you sort of almost like a marinating like and then you break it off and make it.
Okay.
So if you do anything while that I do, if you do anything like you leave it and you do something else, when you're ready to do it again, you just rinse off back your hand and dry it. Like if I wash up 2 dishes in the meantime, to clear the table, you just rest back your hand and dry it off and then you start again. most likely you have 2 dishes in the sink where you want to get rid of. So you get more space to do stuff. And that is it. Huh?
The cupboard.
The what?
The cupboard in front of you.
The cover?
Cupboard.
Wait, oh, shut the cupboard. Okay. Shut the cupboard. She said shut the cupboard.
You know what to eat your head.
I should know. It's a bit messy, you know. And this is called swim around. It's gonna swim around the pot and the dumpling. But that,
Don't make it jump on the feet.
I saw it go around.
Yo.
Yeah. That's a go on it. That is going in.
Don't have a clue.
That is going
You
in.
have to wash your hand again.
Yeah, that's what I do a while ago. So you break the muscat into the size you need. But me like my flour with more cornmeal. I like my flour with more cornmeal. So I know. I really fancy flour if I don't cook it sometime for myself. Everybody don't think a bit different, you know. Come and see how me make flour. And then I do a thing like this. That is it. It could be soft, it could be hard.
Spread a little flour on top of it.
No, why people don't say me spread the flour. Can go on, you know. Can go on and put that. Can go on. That's my spoil flour. But anybody always make flour, always spoil flour. Nobody can tell me say they don't make dumpling and spoil flour.
Nobody knows perfect when it comes to making dumplings.
Dumpling at home. Yeah. Dumpling again. Yeah, I take dumpling, I'm going to touch you. I take dumpling, I'm going to touch. Look at that. So we have 3, 6, 9 dumplings. 9 dumplings.
You know I can't make 10 dumplings. But every time I make dumplings, I always look at 8 or 9.
9 dumplings. I never like a chick. Eat them 9 dumplings. Nice dumpling. Nice dumpling. I ate 4 one time.
Check it out.
Yep. Big slow now, work so this slow.
It now work?
That one here. Sometimes you turn and it come on, but you know really stand two way if it, you know, stand 2 way if it stand.
So you look like you pull up this.
Dumpling time.
Oh, you look like you make the dumpling them so over.
Huh?
Oh, you look like you make them over.
We put them down and then get a little bit softish. So when you lift them up, them start to stretch.
So it's a waste of time. You did do that then. You did make them.
I truly will look a bit soft. Wait. What I say you go? I say you go. So you go on me. I was trying to hide that part there. You just look out the secret. I think we look at that. Store up at the pot. Go on a road store. Go on a road store. Go on a road store. Cover that. Go on, don't take that.
Jay cook the food I eat out the food. I not even remember for sure. No, see there, it land. This is my soup, my friend. This is mine. So I've got one dumpling, see some fish there. I've got potato and I got a piece of cocoa. And then I've got some turnip, and carrot and okra. You know the pumpkin boil out in the soup. So yes, people, it's fish soup. Alright, so I'm gonna enjoy this now. So sooner in the next video, Ajay cook this, you know. What's about it, Joy? It bad?
Good.
Good. You think about you that say it bad?
No, sir. Anything bad, no good. Anything bad with you, it's all right.
Jamaican people say bad something good and good something bad.
Open that, Jamaica.
You know that Jamaica, but you're Jamaican, mate. Alright. So.
Jamaica back on me.
Stop it.
When I come here.
Anyway, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for making it. E&J Lifestyle Farm. We do the work. Oh no, watch the video. Bye.